Hey gang. I'm Fahaam, your financial freedom guru. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories. So, you want to succeed in a finance career, huh? Welcome to the jungle, my friend. The world of finance isn't just about wearing suits, throwing around buzzwords like diversification, or equity, or staring at 10 Excel sheets until your brain melts. It's about making money moves, outsmarting the system, and being the sharpest mind in the room. You don't need to be a Wall Street wolf to win. You just need the right mindset, a few smart skills, and the hustle of a lion. Now let me take you through what it really takes to climb to the top of the finance game and stay there like a boss. Let's begin with the foundation, education. Yeah, I know you're thinking, Fahaam, I hate school. But I'm not telling you to get buried under student loans chasing fancy degrees from overpriced universities. I'm talking about the real education. Learn how money works. Understand the flow of cash. Know what interest rates do, how inflation affects value, how credit works, how markets move, how banks operate. This is knowledge that will make you dangerous in the best way. Read books. Watch interviews with the greats. Follow financial news. Stay updated. Finance is like a living creature, it evolves every single day. If you don't evolve with it, you become a fossil, and fossils don't make money. Next comes skill. Want to be the MVP in finance? Learn how to analyze data. Learn how to look at a spreadsheet and tell a story. Don't just see numbers, see patterns, see risks, see opportunities. Excel is not just a tool, it's a weapon. Learn formulas like they're your second language. But beyond Excel, try to grasp accounting basics. Understand balance sheets, income statements, cash flow reports. These are the heartbeat of any company. If you can read them fluently, you're already ahead of the herd. Also, communication is everything. It doesn't matter how smart you are if you can't explain your ideas. Talk like a pro. Write like a genius. Present like a TEDx speaker. That combo. Deadly. Now let's talk about mindset. If you want to thrive in finance, you gotta think long term. This field isn't about quick wins. It's about compound success. The kind of success that builds over years, like stacking Lego blocks until you've built a castle. Every job, every project, every failure is a stepping stone. Don't chase flashy jobs for titles. Chase roles that give you real learning. Don't be scared to start small. Some of the richest minds in finance began as interns, coffee fetchers, number punchers. They just never stayed there. They grew. They watched. They learned. They asked questions. They got better every day. And eventually, they started making moves. But here's the real juice. You want to stand out. Learn to solve problems. Every company, every client, every investor, they all have problems. You be the fixer. Don't just say, here's what's wrong. Say, here's what we can do. If you can provide solutions that save time, make money, or reduce risk, you'll become indispensable. You'll rise faster than others. Be the person who brings clarity when others bring chaos. Let's not forget networking. Finance is not just about numbers. It's a people game. Build connections. Talk to mentors. Attend industry events. Message professionals on LinkedIn. Ask questions. Build relationships. The right contact at the right time can change your career forever. And if you're thinking, I'm not good at talking to strangers, then congratulations, you've just found the skill you need to learn next. Comfort zones don't make money. Growth zones do. Also, ethics. Yeah, I know, boring word. But believe me, the finance world is full of people trying to take shortcuts, cheat the system, cut corners. And guess what? Most of them either end up in jail, broke, or out of the game. Your reputation is your currency. Protect it. Be the guy or gal known for being sharp and trustworthy. That's rare. And that rarity makes you valuable. Remember, long-term success in finance isn't just about knowing the market. It's about being someone people trust with their money. And trust is gold. So what about choosing your path? Finance has many flavors. Want to manage money? Look into wealth management or asset management. Want to work with companies? Corporate finance or investment banking could be your zone. Want to go big on analysis? Be a financial analyst, risk manager, or market researcher. Want to help people retire rich? Go for financial planning. Want to be the numbers brain behind startups? Be a CFO one day. Explore, test, and figure out what clicks for you. Don't box yourself into what sounds impressive. Chase what makes you feel alive. Now I'm gonna give you a golden tip: build your personal brand. Yes, even in finance. Start a blog. Post your insights. Break down complex topics in a simple way. Help people understand finance and money. You'd be surprised how fast people start seeing you as an expert. The more value you offer, the more opportunities will chase you. That's how you move from job hunter to job magnet. That's how you make companies want you before you even apply. Let's get real for a second. The finance world can get brutal. Stress. Oh yeah. Long hours. Definitely. Office politics. You bet. But if you keep your focus right, build real skills, and stay consistent, you will win. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Focus on the grind. You're not here for quick applause, you're here to build an empire. Learn to manage your own finances before managing someone else's. You can't call yourself a finance pro if your own wallet is crying. Start budgeting. Start investing. Track your expenses. Build an emergency fund. The basics matter. Be the kind of person who practices what they preach. You'll gain credibility. You'll inspire trust. And you'll walk the talk. And listen, AI, automation, and tech are shaking up the finance world. Don't be scared of them. Be curious. Learn how they work. Learn how to use them. A finance pro who understands AI, data science, and tech tools. That's the future. Be that future. Finance isn't dying, it's transforming. You need to evolve with it. If you want to succeed in finance, don't just aim for the next raise or title. Aim to be a game changer. Aim to be the kind of professional who doesn't just follow trends but creates them. Be a leader, a thinker, a doer. And never forget, every great finance career started with one decision, the decision to go all in. So ask yourself, are you ready to go all in? Start now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Read something new. Update your resume. Connect with someone on LinkedIn. Build a portfolio. Create value. Take one bold step every day. Because finance rewards the brave. The ones who take initiative. The ones who choose action over excuses. You don't have to be a genius. You just have to be consistent, curious, and committed. So whether you want to become a top-level CFO, run your own investment firm, be a data-driven analyst, or just help people make smarter money moves, your journey starts with belief. Believe that you can learn it. Believe that you can master it. Believe that you can lead it. Because you can. Trust me, I've been where you are. And I turned my mess into my message. You're not just building a career. You're building a legacy. And that legacy starts with every dollar you manage, every skill you develop, and every connection you make. You've got this. Now get out there and dominate the finance world. Hey gang. That's it for today's dose of real talk from Fahaam's Financial Freedom. If this video gave you the push you needed, smash that like button, share this with a fellow future finance mogul, and hit that subscribe button like you're hitting your financial goals. And remember, success in finance is not about where you start. It's about where you decide to go. Let's turn your hustle into freedom. Let's turn your dreams into billionaire success stories.